I'll take you through some of the video that shows all the dust that's coming into our yard. So if we go to 3 minutes of this video that I had taken this morning, you can see what a typical vehicle kind of running through looks like, right? So here's a truck, you know, the dust follows it and then blows into our yard. And if I scrub the video, you can kind of see, you know, the video kind of blowing in, right? It kind of really helps show how it gets onto our cars, into our house, into our children's lungs, right? And this happens all the time. So just a few minutes later, we have another car, a few minutes in, that goes speeding by, a truck, right? A pickup truck. So he's going, what, 25 miles per hour or so, and there's the dust from that truck, and it just comes up, and again, just scrubbing through, you can just see it just blowing across our yard, right? So today, about 20 minutes into this video, a truck came by to put water down the road. There's another truck going by, right? So this is, again, this just happens all day, every day. And unless it's raining, then, you know, we get this dust just blowing into our yards. So going like 20 minutes into this video, you can see that the truck comes by to spray down the road. So this is presumably to control the dust, and you can see that they've got the construction water truck putting water down, and he continues, right? And the car follows. But you'll see as I advance the video, and what I did is and the reason why I'm shooting it this way, or showing it to you this way, is I grabbed my cell phone when I saw that water truck so I could document what time that truck sprayed the water. And you'll see it right here, coming into the frame. Right here it is. So the water truck came by, you can see the water's still wet. The ground's still wet at 10:53 this morning on June 12th, right? So that's what time that came in. Now, as I fast forward the video another, 5 minutes, you can see that it immediately on a day like this just dries up, right? So it's getting drier and drier. So we took several other videos, so we have a lot of footage, but one that I'll show next. And this video starts with dust, right? I mean, again, it's just constant, blowing into our yards. And then at 11:44 in this video, there are a number of vehicles. But this one, this is what it looks like when there's more than one. So when everyone leaves at the same time, it's car after car after car, right? So multiple vehicles. And they're driving through the dust and then making more. Right, and then at 11:44 we have another, just a few minutes later, we have this going on. And this group is driving very slowly. You can see the Prius pulls over to let the other ones pass. And then they'll speed up. But you can see the amount of dust that just, again, blows from everywhere into our yard. And then at 23 minutes, so I'm not monitoring these the entire time, but at 23 minutes I observed another truck. Again, this happens all the time, but I had my phone handy so we can get another timestamp. So there's just another truck driving through, and again you can scrub and just see that dust just blowing again over our yard, in our lungs, on our cars, in our house, right? And then this happened at 2:17 today, so you'll see the dust, and then I grab my phone and hold it up in front of the camera so we can see what time. So that's just a little over, 3 hours after they ran that water truck on the road, and it's still, the dust is still blowing. So that water truck really isn't effective. And this video just kind of shows what happens on a daily basis with that road.